So today you're going to see a walkthrough of my house. If you don't know me, my name is Michelle. I'm a mom of 12 amazing kids. Only 8 of them live here right now. We're going to be having baby 13 coming pretty soon. So we're trying to get everything detailed out, get rid of all the clutter, and that's the goal before she gets here. We'll see if we can make it. We're getting close down to the wire, but I'm not 100% sure how good we'll do, but we're trying. So I hope you enjoy this tour and that you can appreciate the progress we've made. You can see the videos below in the description of the befores that we've done, and now how much progress we are making and how much better things are for everyone in this house. Everyone's happier and feeling better with the cleanliness of it. So here we go. Come and see. Okay, so here's the good news. You can look in my house and you can see everything's just about in order. I'm only missing a few things, like right there on the little antique dresser, and anything that I want to change up there or on that spot. But I like what's going on in the mirror, and I like what's going on over here. I've got to go through that basket on Tuesday. And then even they're doing a better job keeping the entryway cleaned up. And then, you know, we just have that little sitting area. But the couches area looks great. The kids love this for playing, this area for playing with toys and for doing puzzles. And then there's the piano area. And then you have our family room, which is fabulous. We love it. Everybody can fit in here and hang out in here. We can watch TV in here while the grandkids play with their toys behind there or out in the middle or wherever they want. And then you come over here and you could see our school area. We have to walk around the back of here. There's my bucket and then my extra supplies bucket. There's our history folders and all of our buckets labeled with the kids' names. That's the one without a lid because they're grabbing into it constantly and the lid doesn't get put back on. And I have some extra little readers and books that can now go upstairs since we have a bookcase up there, which you will shortly see. I just realized my husband didn't put his groceries away, but that's okay. The kitchen table and counters are cleared and washed. Everything looks so beautiful. It's so nice to have it dusted and picked up. And the pantry's not even in too bad a shape. It's like constantly being used. I mean, my husband's got to wipe that, and I don't know why the stools moved, probably because the kid was trying to get something up there, but it looks pretty good. Then you come over here. There's all the laundry I have to do today. I've only got a couple loads gone. Let me turn the light on here for you. And then I shut the lid because, you know, that's not always attractive, but it's nice to just have the bathroom cleaned up and to have the mild things that you need in here. That's a slow closing lid. Obviously, it's very slow. I need to change this laundry, but I wanted to show you the garage because it's such good news in there. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but now this is our recycling bin. It's a labeled area. All of my holiday buckets are sorted perfectly. I only have that stuff and that stuff to go through left. These 2 boxes were recently put here, as well as this pile. We've got to sort that the next day they come. This is what's turned into the party and kitchen area. So it's mostly the way I like it, but the kids have put some wood and I don't know what's going on here. But this is going to change in the next couple of days. My husband's area, look, remember how it used to be stacked clear up to here? That's cleared all out, and at least there's a plan for most of this. You know, just like Cat Brewer always says, I have a plan for you. I see you. And I see all this stuff, and I don't know 100% sure where everything is going to go. I just realized they have those buckets on my side. But just being able to get to things now is so much better. This whole area out here needs a little more work, but you can tell a lot has been done and gone through, and there's still more that needs to go through. This we've converted into the family area. See how there's duct tape for all the things that belong in this zone? But the fishing rods will actually be over on the other side. So they're just still kind of working this out, and I'll do that in the next week or two. But by the end of this month, this garage will be in pretty good shape, other than we haven't invested any money in any shelving of any type. We've just used what we've got. So we'll see about that. And now I will take you upstairs. And now we'll head up the stairs so you can see what it's really like. My daughter painted that. We've got some good positive motivation here. Be the wish you be the change you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. And then come up the stairs again. There's our donation bag ready to go. There's the new pile I'm working on. It's mostly empty buckets. That's what's exciting. I moved this little bookcase over here. Has the kids' books on it only, the little kids. And then in the hallway, it's pretty awesome. Just got this bookcase. My girlfriend was selling it pretty cheap. Gotta finish that area. This is the area I gotta figure out what to do with. Keep it or get rid of that. Yes, I'm breathing hard. Okay, here's the little boys' room. Beds are made. Of course, the housekeepers were here. They make beds, vacuum, and dust. But we have to pick everything up and put it away, right? You helped with that today. So they play Legos. Nothing's fancy over here. Just put where everything goes, including the laundry. Got a few more things we gotta do over in that area to make it presentable. But it's real. And I haven't done anything fancy yet. So, here's the bathroom, the kids' bathroom. Again, the toilet seat's up. That's crazy. Let's try this again. I got stuck in the carpet. Okay, so here's the bathroom. It's not put the way I would have wanted it because the curtain's not down. So they must have did this one last. But I know that the garbage can actually goes underneath the toilet paper holder. I know the toilet paper holder is there. I know that I actually want to fill that up and I actually want to change that. So I'll do that here in just a second. But these are pictures from when my 18-year-old was a little boy and we did these speech pictures and I just stuck them in there. My daughter painted that. Got some cute little sayings on the wall. Wash, brush, floss, flush. You know how we tell kids that a million times. And this is the bathroom rules for family and friends. Welcome friends to the bathroom's yours, but don't forget to lock the doors. Pull down the shades. If you should scrub, then be polite. Wash out the tub. Don't leave your dirty socks about. Feel free to suds your panties out. Just ask for anything you need, and whether you crave to sit and read, or simply trim your corns, or wash your feet, or simply occupy the seat, the bathroom's yours, so just relax till someone else starts making tracks. Then get out quick and don't be slow, but stop and flush before you go. Too fun. Just a simple sink. And then my girls are in here having a good time. Doing a quick video. There's one on the bed.
Hi.
Still pretty simple in here. Hi. There's my sunshine. She's visiting.
I painted my nails purple.
Oh, I like them.
My boyfriend's favorite color
And
is
you did
purple.
your toes too, right?
Yep.
So cute.
It's Colby's favorite color.
Awesome. She's got some of her stuff in there, but it's still fun to see the progress. And the crib's up. Gonna take that poppy painting and I'm gonna stick it over the bed here. I'm gonna move that bookcase over and move that time clock, so we'll rearrange the wall decorations. But for now, you can see it how it is. And it's just very simple. And you need a new calendar. This one's old, yeah. And then they did this room back here too. So yeah, that's the one I told you where the boys had that little break-in and they were hiding out. My son kicked the door in to get in his room. Yeah, that happens around here. And then this is the teen boys' room. And their room, it's not perfect by any means. There's Chantry's side. And there's their clutter, I call it. And there's the big boy's side. That's nights he likes to work out. That's why the weights are under his bed. And they at least have their dirty laundry baskets good to go. So they could use some more organization. But hey, at least it's real. And that's where we're at. So now let's go visit my room. Well, there's a picture from when we took our kids to an American history tour. That's my 19-year-old when she was little. That's how long ago that was. And that was that same trip. My kids and my husband, all of them clear up here. That's my kids, all my kids. I just thought it was such a cute picture, so I had to take that. And then we'll go to the master bedroom now. Shh, my husband's sleeping, as usual. He's laying on the bed here. His side needs some work, I understand. I was taking a nap on the bed earlier. I still have a lot of work to do. You can see that these buckets have been sorted, but now I've got to figure out if I'm keeping the stuff in them or tossing it. I don't know if I showed this on the way in. I just have that one laundry basket still I'm working on. And then that's pretty simplified. You can see my dresser's simplified, except for my husband has his back on it, which is weird. And then I have this pile here. That's the one we started working through. My desk area is not too shabby. And then they did my clutter helpers got this in order for me, and I just got to take care of what I don't want on there so I can actually sew again. And then I will take you to my bathroom. You can see I put the painting in here to see if I was going to like it, and I do, so I'm going to hang it up properly. That's using the nail that was for the other paintings, but I don't need that. And looks like my daughter returned the stuff without putting it back, so that's okay. But that's my actual life, right? Getting everybody put their stuff away. And there's just my little bathroom, and my daughter painted that too. Got this cute little saying a girlfriend of mine made just for fun. It says, "You will never have this day again with your children. Tomorrow they'll be a little older than they were today. This day is a gift. Just breathe, notice, study their faces and their little feet. Pay attention. Relish the charms of the present. Enjoy today. It will be over before you know it." And that is the truth. Boy, have I seen that in most of my kids. And then here's the closet, and I still have so much to do trying to get this situated with my Christmas present. And my plan is to get all of these buckets out of here and disperse them in the drawers, to empty these shelves, to turn this shelf so that it's up against this wall, to take all these bathroom aids and stuff, put them on those shelves, and then put the toilet paper up here instead of in the other room. And it'll just look a lot better, and then I won't have but just those few buckets probably up there. But at least my clothes are hung up, thanks to my daughter helping me with that, even though I usually do it by myself. And then I gotta take care of that. Now my husband's side, on the other hand, I don't know, I can only do it for him so many times a month. So I organized what I could, and then that's what he does. He just likes to drop it on the floor. Sometimes he uses the hooks, but it's kind of crazy. Oh well, what do you do, right? Such is life with husbands. So how did you like that? Was it great? Were you happy? I was so excited just to get all this done. There's still a lot more to be done, especially in the master bedroom areas, and a lot more in the garage, but there's only a little bit everywhere else, so I'm really excited about that. And it's kind of messier in the transition stage, you know, like when you're, we got that new bookcase, and we moved the other bookcase, and we're giving new assignments to everything in the house, like I said in that one video a couple of weeks ago. We're just trying to get everything put where it needs to be so that we can actually find stuff better, and it won't all be in my closet, and just getting all those kind of kinks worked out. It just is a little messier during that time, and that's how I feel like things are right now. But pretty soon it will all be to a perfect place, and I can't wait for that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like it, and that'll help share it so that other people can see it who need it, because we all beat ourselves up for how messy our homes are, especially when we have a lot of kids, and even just 2 or 3 kids, and that we need to just realize it's progress, not perfection. Let's just get it done, do what needs to be done, do the next thing in front of you, and just do a little bit at a time. Those bite-sized pieces help a lot. So take care. It was good to see you. Thanks for being here. Bye-bye.